So I'm gonna resync some audio. Okay, so now I can look here. So if I'm typing, you know, I'm doing this, then I can look over there. That's super bright. I need to do something different about color there. And in fact, if I do, let's say I do screen flow, just want to test this out real quick here. I could probably color match that one to this one. I'd be really interested in knowing what I needed to do to fix that color though, to make that look, I actually like this. I like this better than I like that. That's got me too cold, but in post I might be able to fix that. We'll see. So I'm gonna record this desktop. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna stop that. One of the things I like to do is I do like to grab audio when I'm doing this as well, just because, let me see. Again, I can sync it. So there we go. Now I'll record that. And let me go to, what was the snowshoe? I'll just go to SparkFun, sparkfun.com. I think this is it. Right, so we'll close that, we'll close that. Again, this is just for testing purposes, but what I wanted to be able to do is I want to be able to look in the camera here and have a conversation, you know, as if this is what I'm looking right there, or I could move it over here, might be actually a little better angle. And then that one I can turn and look at like that. I could actually move that camera more over this way so that it's a little better. Maybe I'm not looking right into the camera. This is me looking right into it like this, and then I can look down, and this is actually a pretty good angle, actually. If I turn it like that, I can kind of look right into it. Not bad at all. And then I can do my thing, talk about this. Hey, I met this guy, pretty cool. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. This camera, that camera, screen flow, audio. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try moving this real quick, just for grins, and see what will happen if I had this more like this. So I'm gonna lower that down a little bit and change that. So, you know, this is pretty close. Now I'm getting the shadow because of where the light is, so I'm not crazy about that angle. If I move this a little closer, it's not going to be great, but that's pretty hot. I think I'm going to have to figure out how to handle that. But the cool thing is I can look from here to here, and oh boy, my trunk was open. So yes, that was okay. Me and this stupid trunk. I don't like that about it. I wish there was a way for me to fix it. Whenever I sit with my keys in my pocket, my trunk opens. Okay, that is it. I'm gonna quit now.